Today I wanted to take a look at two of Olight's newest limited edition flashlights for the Baton 4 Premium Edition. So they have two new versions coming out. They have this fighter jet colorway for it, and they also have a titanium edition, and they both are on sale right now. So I wanted to make sure you knew about these because, again, these limited edition Olight lights typically sell out very quickly. And so if you don't get in right away, you may never be able to get one. But if you are looking to get an Olight Baton 4 Premium Edition, this is a great time to pick one up and also give you the ability to get one of the unique colorways that they offer. For anyone that isn't aware of these lights, the Baton 4 is the latest release in the Baton series from Olight. It is a small 1300 lumen turbo flashlight. It has a high of 600 lumens, a medium of 60 lumens, a low of 12 lumens, and a moonlight of 0.5 lumens. It is a great everyday carry flashlight. It's quite powerful for its size. And the Premium Edition also comes with a charging case that can charge the device, or can charge the flashlight up to 5 times. It can also take the Perrin Mini or the Baton 3 or S1R flashlights as well. It also is, charging case is USB-C chargeable. It has a battery indicator showing how much battery life is left in the case. The light can be used while it is in the case. It can be turned on and off. In the case, it also has a unique feature that you can ramp the brightness. So you get full control of ramping the brightness of the light, which makes it nice for using in a tent or when you're camping. The case can also charge any devices. So a USB-C cable to any other thing like your phone, a camera, a drone can be charged from the case itself. The only difference between the two lights is that the new titanium version only has 1100 lumen output instead of this normal 1300 lumen, as titanium isn't quite as good as a heat conductor as aluminum is. So the light has a little bit less to make sure that the light doesn't get too hot. But if you're looking to get either of those special editions, now's your chance to get one of those. I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to grab one of them while they're on sale. And if you'd like to watch my full review of the Baton 4 Premium Edition, please watch the video here.